Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fast Cars and Bikes. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this cars models videos today I will show you a very speedy and top trend of these hyper cars models ideas. My dear friends, today I will show you a eye-catching color of latest and in fashion cars models ideas, all hottest models, high-class men's and much more about businessmen's, youngest boys and evening parties boys will most demanding these latest and in fashion very speedy and high-class cars models ideas. All these models will change your personality and will amaze your luxury and daily lifestyles. Let's talk about today's trending fashion about hypercars, and all these models will today's trend. If you love to follow trend, you will follow more than other latest stylish and in fashion models like BMW cars, city cars, Toyota cars, high wheelers and racing cars, and much more about different models of rides like loader trucks, trawlers, bikes and high wheeler cars and trucks. You will follow and different movements of latest and in fashion cars and bikes models ideas. All these ideas you will follow our YouTube channel. My dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social medias account like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of cars models videos do you want to see on my channel. If you want to more than other latest stylish and in fashion ideas, you will also comment me on my YouTube channel. Keep on watching. Till then, take care. Please like, share and subscribe my all videos. Thank you once again. And followed and like my all videos. Bye bye.